will be opening some Temporal Forces booster bundles. To some ETBs, another booster bundle, and just for fun, we will also be opening a Dragonite V-Star Pokemon Go collection. So I'll just put that to the side. Let's go. You know what? I'm just gonna choose that one. Okay. So we got a nice little thing. So that's how these are packaged, kind of like that. And then we got 6 booster packs. Just gonna sort them by no walking wake pack cards. Oh wait, never mind. There's one. Let's start with this bad boy. Okay.
Good luck.
Good luck. Exactly. Mudbray, Minko, Rockruff, Litten, Rapidash, Boulder, Mudsteel, Durant, Airy, and a Whimsicott Hollow. Okay, next I'll do these 2 Raging Bolt pack cards. So I'm hoping to get one of those special illustration rares. Like I just like that Walking Wake illustration rare. Like I just like the combination of colors. It's a nice combination. And Rolling Moon Hollow. Points on this aren't the best, but yeah. Chatot, Cottony, Carvana, Ekans, Boost Energy, Iron Hands, Rescue Board, Metal, Haunter, and a Metal Hollow. Okay, Iron Pound Packard. So far, nothing on these. Thingamabobs, Meryl, Golett, Dunsparks, Snom, Mist Energy, Sandy Shocks, Torracat, Candy Scorch, and an Iron Valiant Hollow. Okay, the points on these aren't the best. Hopefully, can get something that's not just a hollow. Shroomish, Tongue, Slugma, Solacis, that, Saucebuck, Poisonous Jungle, Energy, finish it, and okay, we got an Iron Leaves. What's it called again? EX. So we'll put that to the side and walk away. These right now they don't have the best points. Hopefully it is not just 1 EX per box, because that would be terrible. Arbok, Sandy Shocks, Rapska, Hand Trimmer, Mudsteel, Bulltown, and Iron. So for now, it's 1 EX per one of these boxes. So
We'll never buy them again.
Yeah.
If it stays this way.
If it stays this kind of point, I don't think we're gonna buy these again, because the booster boxes, like these booster bundles, are just not the best. Oops, trash goes right there, and packs. Got a bunch of packs. Okay.
Good luck.
Card. Hopefully, we don't do as bad as last time, and not just the regular EX. Haunter, Pikachu, Elio, that. Oops, I'm just showing these. And, okay, Bianca's, whatever you want to call
nice
it,
card.
Devotion. So it's a trainer for
Very nice.
It's nice. I'll just go with this dude, Raging Bolt. Okay, the Emperor, Torracat, Grubbin, Frostmoth, Ryombi, Boost Energy Capsule, Iron Hands, Mudbray, Mule, and a Dunsparks Hollow. Not very good points. Hopefully it's not just that one Biancia's Devotion. I'm hoping for a special.
It's getting better.
illustration
It's
rare.
getting better.
It's getting better. Miro, Golett, Dunsparks, Great Tusk, Delcatty, Explorer's Guidance, Vikavolt, Chatot, and okay, a Raging Bolt
See?
EX.
It's already getting better.
It is getting better. No big hitters yet, but still getting better than the first
2
one.
out of 3. It's good.
Snob, Redbray, Matino, Rockruff, Iron Hand, Morty's Conviction, Shift Tree, Raichu, Breloom, and Iron Hand's Hollow. Thorns, not hands. Pack art. Beldum, Breloom, Roly-Poly, Heatmore, Bubbly Bubble Bubba, Iron Treads, Box Sorter, Torcat, Latias, and Alligator Hollow. Okay, last pack of that one. That was better than the first one, but it will be even better if we do get maybe a special illustration rare. I might get this pack. Hopefully, special illustration rare. Dilber, Eller, Ponyta, Chatot, Utu Serenity Capsule, Great Tusk, Delcatty, Minchino, Roserade, and okay, we got a nice Trio EX Terra card.
So 3 hits out of 6. This is normal. Good.
It's normal for this, except for that first one. The first one was just terrible. And packs. Lots of packs. And let's start with you. Not a big fan of Raging Bolt, honestly. The Dunsparce, Snob, Mudbray, Nintino, Close Guidance, Latias, into Boost Energy Capsule, Deerling, Cottony, and the Dunsparce Hall. Raging Bolt. Okay. Duolian, Haunter, Pikachu, Ghastly, Sableye, Tusk, Morty Conviction. Oh, an Awakening Drum. What's it called again? Ace Spec. So that is, I'm pretty sure that's one that we're missing for the binder, and it's like $10. I'm pretty sure from what we saw. And these were the last 2 cards. Okay. I release. In my opinion, I like ancient Pokemon better than future Pokemon. Future Pokemon, like the designs get kind of like lazy. I do like the spacey theme of the future Pokemon, but you gotta be honest, ancient Pokemon better, in my opinion at least. Type, Turtonator, Hoot, Beldum, Vikavolt, Fortress, Latias, Riller. Okay, we got a nice Relicanth illustration rare for the main hollow. Put that over there. Okay, pack. ETBs have really good pull rates. Well, pretty good pull rates, good pull rates. Because,
3 out of 9 packs. It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. Iron Boulder, EX, the hit. It'll be like, what's that? Oh.
This is what we got so far.
Yep.
Decent.
About the points that you should expect from these kind of stuff. At least this set. Nucleus, Wiglet, Shift Tree, Clydon Hollow. Okay. Our last booster bundle.
Alright, good luck.
Hopefully we can get a special illustration rare because they're really good. I just don't. Yeah. I just wish these had a little better points. Raging Bolt.
I don't think it's too bad. It's
Not
good.
too bad. Shroomish, Lickitung, Chargebug, Shiftry, Angulus, Bianca's Devotion, Reller, Seymour, and a Roaring Moon Hollow. Okay. Raking Bolt. Again. Otani, Carvana, Ekans, Hertwig, Bronzor, 90% Energy Tactile, Iron Treads, Wilbur, Bulltown, and Iron Treads Hollow. Okay. Yep. So, Dartsparce, Snom, Mudbray, Manko, Mantino, Future Burster Energy Capital, Enhance, Sport, Fortress, Shiftry, and Macargo Hollow. Okay, points aren't the best on these. Erosion, Hunter, Pikachu, Ghastly, Airy, Caddiscorch, Bubbly, you see that?
Oh.
Bubbly, Bubble Poffin. Oh, Neo Upper Energy A-Spec Trainer. Now that's interesting because this dude, his name is Danny Phantom. He's a YouTuber. So we entered one of his Pokemon card giveaways for this Temporal Forces set. And we won out of like thousands of people for some reason. And he gave us that Neo Energy, whatever you want to call it. So now we have 2 of them. Gengar EX.
Good. That's good.
Oh my gosh, Fuller. This is a big chase card for you people. Because everyone likes Gengar, right?
I don't.
Well,
but it's
a
a
lot
good card.
of people like Gengar. Because it's like a nice card. Okay. The last one. Last pack magic. It's not actually the last pack, but Rockruff, Close Guidance, Out in Hands, Conviction, Bronzor, Chargebug, Iron Lens. Okay, I'm just gonna call Leo over. Leo, come here, please. Come here, please. Which ETB do you think will have the best pulls? The Walking Wake ETB or the Iron Leaves ETB? Because last time the Iron Leaves ETB won when we were doing this challenge. And now we're doing this challenge.
I think Iron Leaves.
Okay, Iron Leaves again. Okay, let's put those open. Grab the packs out. This is the Walking Wake ETB.
Those are the hits you have so
actually,
far.
so Leo, do you like future Pokemon or ancient Pokemon?
Ancient.
Okay. So this is the Walking Wake ETB. This is the Iron Leaves ETB. So since you like ancient Pokemon more, I'm just gonna sort these by ancient or future. Future. This is for the Walking Wake ETB. Ancient. Future. And we'll just group them up by, actually we won't do the ETB battle, we'll do the type of Pokemon battle, like future or ancient. So which one do you want to go first? Ancient Pokemon or future Pokemon, Leo?
Future.
Okay, future first. Let's see if future does better or ancient does better. Turtonator, Hoot, Beldum, Breloom, Iron Valiant, Sandy Shocks, Meduculus, Colossal, Domise, and Miraidon Hollow. Okay.
Yay, no hits.
Because he wants the future Pokemon to lose and the ancient to win. If these dudes get a single, if the futures get a oh my gosh, SAR, then the ancients are dead. If the futures get a single SAR. Buck. Walking Wake EX. It's an ancient Pokemon, weird for future Pokemon packs. Well, okay. So that's for the future. Grubbin, Frostmoth, Noctowl, Crocodile, Behayem, Anti-Booster, Anti-Capsule, Rapidash. You see that? Awakening Drum number 2. Oh my god. Okay. So we got an Ace Spec.
Another one.
Ponyta, Grotto, Jumper. So,
Yay. No hits.
So Future got 2 hits. Asian got 0.
because I'm not opening Ancient yet, I'm opening Future first.
Okay.
To get it. Citizen, Bronzor, Diana, Rosen, Colossal, Poisonous Jungle, Unpheasant, Reptini, Hayem, the Dunsparce Hollow. Okay. Future Pokemon have 2 hits so far. Citizen, Bronzor, Diana, Rosen, Torpedo, Metagross, Wizard, Pineco, Psychotug, and Bloodmane Hollow.
Still have 2 only.
Pikachu, Ghastly, Elegam, whatever that says, Keldeo, Ninjaculous, Delmise, Tranquil, Zero Ore, and Iron Valiant. Oh my god. Okay. Iron Crown versus Iron Leaves. Okay. Sizzlepede, Meryl, Golett, Dunsparce, Electivire, Titino, Sableye, Colossal, Latin, Iron Thorns, and Iron Crown. Snom, Mudbray, Mintino, Rockruff, Tusk, Mortis Conviction, Shiftry, Bronzong, Skyster, and final for the future, it's Relicanth. Okay. So I'm just gonna show which one is future, which one is ancient, with this little shiny divider from the Iron Leaves ETB. So that's future so far. And now we got the ancient. So start. Obviously this is all simple forces except for that. Okay, go. So we got Brambolin, yeah, it's Brambolin. Durafrig, Cutify, Excadrill, Keldeo, Delmise, Palafin. Okay, we got a Snom. Regular illustration rare, so that's 1 point for the ancients.
We always get that.
It's always that the one Snom that we get. Okay, got one of these. Litten, Shroomish, Kitong, Slugma, Iron Treads, Bubbly Bubble Puffins, Zeraora, Fluttermane, Bronzor, and Rolling Moon Hollow. Okay, so for some reason we're not getting like any special illustration rares, so yeah. We're hoping for one of those special illustration rares. Could have Pineco, Mawile, Fortress, Tress, Vikavolt, Latias, Master Ball, a Spec. Now that's what we're looking for. Look at that card. Okay? So far, it's a tie. And the Ancients still have a bunch of packs left, so I'm guessing the Ancients are going to win. But hopefully in these last few packs, we can pull a special illustration.
That means something.
Okay. Grubbin,
SIR.
Frostmoth,
Come on.
Noctowl, Torpedo, Metagross, Bojade, Feller, Diana. Looks like Hot Hollow.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So we have Meditite, Turtonator, Hoot, Bellum, Great Tusk, Bronzong, Kibusha, Energy Capsule, Sizzlepede, Another Snom.
Okay.
Why? See what I mean by these are so common? We get.
That's
keep
why it's a
getting
dollar
these.
card.
Oh, makes sense. Why? Wait, is there a card on me? No. Okay, so I'm just gonna put that next to the other Snom. Like, there's so many illustration layers. Why is it the exact same one? So weird. Wiglet, Arbok, Seedot, Totodile, Full Metal Lab, Golurk, Shaman, Giraffe Rig, Grey Tusk, and the Dunsparce Hollow. I feel like we're gonna win. Ancient is already winning. I just hope that these last 3 walking wake packs have something like really good in them. Coley, Heatmore, Yamper, Iron Shreds, Bully, Bubble Puffins, Oops, Zerora, Ghastly, Renuculus, Iron Crown EX. Okay, it's a nice card. So we'll just put that all over there. Yeah, Ancient is better than Future. Yeah, okay. Snom, Mudbray, Mintino, Rockruff, Great Tusk, Bronzong, Ancient Booster Energy Capsule, Totodile, Melton, Macargo. So, last Temporal Forces pack. Hopefully, we can get us.
I already basically won because,
Yeah.
you know, I have 4.
But I still want that illustration, special illustration. Just gonna be very careful with this. Basic Energy, Solaces, Skyther, Skitty, Electabuzz, Sharpedo, Metagross, Roserade, Iron Hands, Beamtail, and a Relic Hollow. Well, so
I won.
yeah, the Ancients won. Okay, so we'll just put those hits all over here with those. Okay, so we got a nice Walking Wake EX, Raging Bolt EX, Iron Crown EX, Iron Leaves EX, Iron Boulder EX, Rockio EX, Gengar EX Full Art, Neo Upper Energy Ace Spec, Master Ball Ace Spec, Awakening Drum Ace Spec, another Awakening Drum Ace Spec, Relicanth Art Rare, Snom Art Rare, another Snom Art Rare, and a Bianca's Devotion Trainer Full Art.
Yeah.
So let's put those to the side.
All right. I think not bad. Not
Yeah,
bad.
not bad. We have a Pokemon Go Dragonite V-Star, yeah, collection. I'm pretty sure it's called the Premier Deck Holder Collection. So, let's just...
We opened one before. It went very well, right?
It went very well. We got that little secret ditto. It's a fun little card to pull. Just a little secret there. Okay. So, we got some nice stuff in here. Got a Premier Ball little deck holder.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty sure this.
It's okay.
Okay, it's okay. Okay, so we got these packs, obviously. We got these 2 promos. We opened these before, so we know that there's 2 promos. Not just one, and it's kind of thicker. So, we got a code card, obviously. Dragonite V Pokemon Go promo, and a Dragonite V Star Pokemon Go promo. So, now the packs. We opened them in separate stacks. So, let's do another pack battle. Okay, first pack. Keep out your eye for Secret Ditto. Alolan Eradicate, Tranquil, Natu, Larvitar, Apom, Squirtle, and a Melmetal Hollow. Okay, okay, next pack for that side. Okay, thing is kind of stubborn. It won't get open. Squirtle, Meltan, Bidoof, Magikarp, Pidove, Ivysaur, and a Melmetal V. Okay, something. So far, that's what we got. Next pack. I want, like, those secret Dittos are just kind of cool to see. A little secret Easter egg, you know. Pikachu, Squirtle, Bibarel, Rattata, Numble, Blissey, and Golisopod Hollow. I don't think Hollows count as hits because they're literally in every pack. So, Epon, Spinarak, Lone Rattata, Limpod, Pikachu, Numble. This would usually be a secret Ditto, but there's no little Ditto in the corner. Charizard. So, it's not a secret Ditto. So for that stack, all we got was this No Metal V. Hopefully, we can get that Mewtwo.
The rainbow one.
The rainbow one?
Yeah, we got Mewtwo twice already. But
There is no rainbow Mewtwo, right?
Yep.
Is there a
Yes.
rainbow Mewtwo?
Yes.
Oh, Bidoof. This would also be a Ditto Hollow, but it's not, sadly. Blastoise. Or did I say Ditto Hollow? It's not even hollow. It's a reverse hollow. Glowing Rattata, Larvitar, Pidove, Bulbasaur, Squirtle, Numble. Now this is what we're looking for. See that little Ditto in the corner?
Oh, so that means...
Which means you can actually just peel it. Like, wait. And there's actually a secret Ditto behind. Isn't that cool? And this is literally just a floppy sticker.
That definitely counts as a hit.
Yep, that counts as a hit. That little secret Ditto. Just put these wiggly things, you know. Okay, so that was cool. It's cool seeing a little secret Ditto every once in a while. Because why not? They're cool. Wimpod, Pikachu, Squirtle, Meltan, Bidoof, Camerupt, Golisopod Hollow.
Do you think we have a chance to get the two stickers, second stickers?
Maybe. Who knows? Maybe not. Charmander, Eevee, Natu, Apom, although Eradicate, Meltan Hollow, and a Slay King V. Okay, it's a hit. And yeah, this side is going to win because we can already tell and stuff. Last pack magic.
And plus it had a Ditto.
Yeah, I know. The Ditto counts as a hit because you don't see that every day.
Yeah.
Code card. V-Star marker. Just gonna do the pack trick for the last pack. V-Star thing. Can't see. Spark. Ariados. Wimpod. Pikachu. Squirtle. Meltan. Bidoof. Pokestop. And for the final hit of the day, it's Charizard at least. It's Charizard. It's not a hit, but it's a Charizard. So keep a lookout for these bad boys. So there are 3 different reverse hollows that could have it. Of course, there could be this Numble reverse hollow, a Bidoof reverse hollow,
Or that spider.
yeah, or the Spinarak reverse hollow. Don't just call it a spider. So these are pretty cool.